In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily manage your finances by withdrawing funds from Temu to your PayPal account. Whether you're new to Temu or simply looking to understand the process more thoroughly, I'll guide you through each essential step, ensuring you can transfer your funds with confidence and ease. Firstly, let's start by checking Temu's withdrawal options. It's important to familiarize yourself with these as they can vary depending on your region or account type. If you log into your Temu account, navigate to the Settings or Payment section. Here, you'll find a list of available withdrawal methods. Make sure that PayPal is listed as an option because it's a popular and secure way to move money. In this section, you'll also want to review any fees or withdrawal limits that might apply to ensure you have all the information you need. Next, let's move on to linking your PayPal account in Temu settings. This is a straightforward process, but it's crucial to get it right to ensure smooth transactions. Go to the Settings section in your Temu account and look for the option to link or manage accounts. Here, select PayPal from the list of supported accounts. You'll be prompted to log into your PayPal account, or if you haven't already, to sign up for one. Make sure to use your actual login information to authenticate your account successfully. After linking, it's a good idea to double check that the connection between Temu and PayPal is properly established. Proper linking ensures that your withdrawal can proceed without any hitches, and you'll want to confirm this to avoid any last-minute surprises. Now you're ready to initiate a withdrawal to PayPal. Return to the home screen of your Temu account and look for the Withdraw option, which is usually straightforward to find. Select PayPal as your destination for the funds. Enter the amount you wish to transfer. Here's a tip. Just double-check the amount to ensure that it aligns with your budgeting needs. Once you've reviewed everything, authorize the transaction. Temu may ask you to confirm your identity for security purposes, so be prepared to enter any necessary verification codes. Finally, after you've successfully initiated the transfer, you should confirm and track it. Go back to your settings or transaction history, where you can keep tabs on your withdrawal status. Usually, transactions to PayPal are processed relatively quickly, but it's good to know you can monitor this for additional peace of mind. If there are any delays, check both your Temu and PayPal accounts for any notifications or updates. And there you have it. With these detailed steps, you now know how to effectively withdraw funds from your Temu account to PayPal. Following these instructions will help ensure a seamless transfer, giving you more control and flexibility over your money. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide has been helpful for you.